as fast as I can.
Is it time to eat breakfast? Is it time to eat breakfast?
I know. Good boy. Good boy, Smalls.
So he's 325 grams today. You
wake up, sexy.
Ooh, I ain't even wake up yet. You already getting frisky with me.
Hey, you like that?
Hell yeah, keep it going, Katarina. Kata, who that bitch? My name's Snake. Shit, what? Ah! Oh, hell no!
Everyone loves you on TikTok. Yes? Do you want to go to the beach? Okay, let's go. Keep up. Careful with the steps. You can do it. Good girl. What does the sound feel like, Gigi? Oh, done, Gigi. You made it. Gigi. Let's go. Do you like the beach?
Keep your mouth shut, Rachel. Hope you bleeding. Shoot, always talking too damn much, boys. Always popping them gums. Talk about stop. How about you stop talking? Shut up, Rachel. Shoot. See, now you starting with me. Now you starting me. Now you want some of this. You want some of this, Rachel.
Every night, we go through the bitchy hour. This for no reason. She gets on my lap. That's real rough. Ouch.
Stella, you wanna go bang?
Где-то высоко-высоко в горах один дурной кошка лазил там, где ему не надо. Вот не зря через 2 дня у тебя кастрация. Понимаешь, о чем я?
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be.
Oh my God. What is...
There's been a lot of comments on one of my last videos about how your pets have been reacting to the coyote call. So I'm going to do it again. You guys post how your pets react.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Dally, you have him in the couch. Let him out. Let him out. Dally, let him out. He's so mad. He's so mad that she got him.